Hi guys, I'm Shtuky, and in this video I will show you how to start working in Python, how to download Python and how to write your first program. So let's go to Google and write Python and search. And you will see the first website, python.org. Let's go to this website together. And we see official website of this programming language. So what you have to understand is that Python is interpreting programming language, and to start using it, to start coding in Python, you have to download this language to your computer. So where you can find it? Push download, and you will see the latest version of this language. The latest version is yellow button. Here is 3.9.1, but actually it doesn't matter. You can download previous version, or if in several years you will find next one. Each version of Python, it's not, they do not have really much difference, so you can write your coding in most of latest versions. So let's just push this button together, and you will see that file .exe is downloading to your computer. After you will download it, just set up. So in several seconds you can just push the arrow like here and show in the folder where this file was downloaded. You can see this file, and what you should do is just twice put it twice, or put enter, and this programming language will install to your computer. What you have to do, you save everything what you see, you do not change anything, and just put enter. If you're doing this for the first time in your life, what I suggest to do is just push install now and do not change any specifications. You will get specific programming, all tools what you need, and everything will be perfect. So we start push yes, and in several seconds everything will be installed in your computer. My installation was successful. By the way, I have a Windows computer, but if you have Linux, Mac OS, or any other stuff, you can choose here on the website different pack to download. So my installation was successful. What to do next? You put close, and then you can find all files in your system. To find your version, to find your tools for Python, you just push start button in Windows, and you will see recently added files. There is 3 files, but actually what you need is only one. It's called ADLE Python, and the number of this version. Also you can find it by searching. If you put search in your computer and you just type Python, so you will find all these 3 tools which were installed recently. We will choose ADLE right now because this is the file we need to open if you want to start programming. What you see now, it is called a special place for coding. In Python, you have 2 types of coding style, let's say. The first type is coding in shell. This is ADLE shell. What does it mean, coding shell? This is type of path. So when you write something, when you write a code, it's interpreted immediately. For instance, let's write our first program together. Let's say print. Print, it's, we say to the computer like you have to print something. So you print, and what he had to print, you put inside the commas, inside this arrow. Let's say typical hello world. And we write it here. And when we push enter, let's see what will happen. Our computer will print immediately. Computer immediately will make what we say to make. And he printed hello world. So this is nice to try your commands. This is nice type to start programming, but in actual programming, this is not really convenient. And if you want to write your program first, your full program first, and only then you want to run it, what you have to do, you will make another type of programming sphere, another type of programming style. We open file and we make new file together, or you can push Ctrl+N. You make new file, and this file is really similar to just normal Notepad++ or something like this, but it is inside the Python community, and it is really convenient to save this file. For instance, you put file, you put save as, and you create a name for this. Let's make it together. For instance, cat Python. You can choose any name you like. And this Python file will be saved in specific Python format, which is called .py. So you save this name in .py. I choose desktop to save it. You can save whatever place you like, maybe in documents or whatever. You save this file, and then in this file you can find this on the desktop already. Let me show you. So this is my desktop, and you can find this file already. It's cat Python. So when I close this file, this empty, I can close it. You will not lose anything. You close it, and then if you want to open it again, you find your file cat Python, open it, and this is just the same file we did recently. So in this file you can write your programs, and to run it, let me show you how to run your programs. To open your file, you can do it in two directions. First, you can open file, put open, and then choose a file you recently created, cat Python, and open it. So here it is. Also, you can do another way. You can just put to your file on the desktop or whatever you created it, push right button, and then edit with IDLE, and then edit, and you also open it. So this second type, it's not interpreting right away. Let me show the difference. So let's write here the same line that we recently wrote on shell, and write it the same, print. And so we say to our computer, please print some text to me, please. This text will be hello cat. Hello cat. So look, when I put enter here, nothing really changes, because this file is not interpreting right away. So I can write another line. I can write print. Oh, hi, cat. Oh, hi, there. So you see, I also put enter and nothing happens. So how can I run this program actually? After you write everything you like, you can push run and push run module, or you can push F5. So let's do it. Source must be saved. Save it. Yes, okay, save it. And it runs, and we see, hello cat. Oh, hi there. This is our program. You see this blue text? This is our program, how it works on the computer. But the text of this program in Python, it's here. It's printed here. And again, let me show you the difference second time. So we will copy these two lines to shell. You see, this is shell, first one, which interpreting right away. And let's insert it here. Two lines. And we see only hello cat, because this shell, it cannot interpret all your programs right away. It interprets only one line. So it sees one line and it interprets one line. And so this shell is not really useful for actual programming. It's really useful for check if this actual line is okay, if this actual, I don't know, this actual words is okay, but it's not for doing big programming. So I hope you understand now how to start doing your programming. So you can easily close this shell, because you will not write your programming in shell actually, and you can only use this file which you created. This is catpython.py. And you will write your programs here, big program. And then if you want to run it, you just push F5. So in our next video, I will show you some fun programs, and we'll show you some comments which you can use in Python. Enjoy programming language. See you on our next video. Bye.